Are you going to talk for me? Huh? Looks like Aurora's going to sleep. Usually that's you. Usually you're the one that's going to sleep. Yeah, not today. Not today. Yeah. Yeah. You're my pretty girl. Cheekers, are you my pretty girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Can you talk to Grandma? Can you talk to Grandma? Huh? Yeah. Oh, come on. I know you can. I know you can. I know you can. We gotta send this to Gigi. Yeah. I wanna send this to Gigi. Yeah. Talk to me some more. Tell me about it. How would you like your sweet potatoes today, huh? Were they yummy? Were they yummy? Yes, they were. You got high chairs now. Ooh. We're moving up in the world. Have you sat up yet? Have you sat up yet? Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Oh, I know you're so excited. You're so excited. Yay. Ooh, that's how to catch your attention. Tell me some more. Tell me some more. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, tell me. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. No, come on. Yeah. Oh. Yes, tell me all about it. Huh? Oh. You're excited about something. I don't know what, but you're excited about something. Huh? Something? Yeah. Sari. Yes, Sari. No, I'm too busy over here talking to Xandria. She's a happy baby girl today. She is. She is a happy baby girl. Miss Aurora's sleeping. Oh, I didn't need baby pictures to show that. I know,
but I mean, look at that.
You look like your daddy. Yeah. Ooh. Is she the vocal one? Yeah? Because usually she's the one that's sleeping. Are you trading places now? Oh my goodness. It's okay. Oh, she's not crying. She's talking. And she's smiling. And she's laughing. You are, aren't you? Ooh. I'll have to load this on YouTube so Uncle Rick can show Grandma.
Found her voice, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's the screaming all about? Hmm? Oh. Oh, my. Now you're getting serious.
Your sister scratched out over here.
So there's two of you, yet no one told me. What the hell?
Do you want Grandma to pick you up? You want Grandma to pick you up?
That's all nasty.
You want Grandma to pick you up? Hmm?
Coming out? Strapped in there?
No.
No strappers?